This is passage 1. It's a data passage. We know it's data because we don't see study 1, study 2. We just see information. For a data passage, so don't read. You're just going to quickly skim and get to the information. It's going to tell you where to look. Number 1, based on table 2, put your finger on table 2. What is the observed I value for 0.6 moles? So 0.6 moles right there. And the H2O solution of NH4,2SO4. So there. So that will be 2. The answer is B. Just a point and find, pretty easy question. Number 2, according to table 2. Put your finger on table 2. Which the compounds have observed I values less than 2.5 at all of the concentrations listed. So if we look at this first one, NaCl, that one does have concentrations all less than 2.5. So we can say H and J are out. Then we have to choose one of the other ones. KCl is in there. Potassium chloride. You can call it by its real name if you want, but it doesn't matter what it is. It just matters, can you find the symbol? So we're going to check both of these, and it looks like the last column is the one that has values all less than 2.5. So your answer is G. According to table 2, at which of the following concentrations is the observed I value for potassium chloride, KCl, the lowest? So we're going to just look at those 4. So 3, 6, 9, and 2. And of those, the lowest is at 0.9. So your answer is C. Use the answers to help you know where to look. Based on tables 1 and 2, which ionic compound, so which of the compounds listed, has the largest deviation from its theoretical value? So theoretical value is in table 1 at a concentration of 2. So look at 2. That's going to be, make sure you look at 2 and not accidentally 0.2. And then you just calculate the difference between the theoretical value and the observed value. We see the greatest difference in magnesium chloride. So H. Consider the following substances: sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, ammonium sulfate, these in water. These are the substances that are just used in the experiment. Which of the substances would be classified as a solvent in the solutions represented in table 2? So in our reading, it's going to tell us, we just got to figure out which one's the solvent, which one's the solute. And you may just know this answer because of your chemistry knowledge. And if you don't, then it's going to tell you in the reading, the theoretical value of a solute is the total number of particles produced when one formula of the solute dissolves in H2O. So H2O is the solvent. So your answer is B. Sucrose is a molecular compound and remains intact when it dissolves in water. When the question we just read, we know that the theoretical value is determined when the solute dissolves in water. But sugar, or sucrose, remains intact when it dissolves in water. Based on this information in the passage, would the theoretical value of sucrose, the theoretical value here, be more or less than that of potassium chloride? So even if you don't completely understand this question, you can look at the value of potassium chloride as 2. You can say, well, 4 is not less than 2, so G can't be the correct answer. And it's 1 is not greater than 2, as in choice H, so that can't be the correct answer. So G and H are both eliminated. Now, if nothing else, you get a 50-50 chance. If you understand the reading, though, it would have to be less because it doesn't dissolve, so the theoretical value will be less, so F.